All right, let's get into this 4-part decode I'm about to drop. Being the Matrix glitched out when the download hit. They do the most to stop the message from coming out. But anyway, I'm here, and if you're new here, I decode the things they program you not to question. If you're here, you've already started remembering. This isn't a theory, this is a transmission. So let's get into it. Malcolm-Jamal Warner, dead. Ozzy Osbourne, dead. And of course, there's a third death pending, still loading, because that's how the system runs, encoded threes. This is ritual, this is energetic, contract closure, this is legacy timeline collapse. Malcolm-Jamal Warner, they want you focused on the method, drowning in Costa Rica. But let's talk about the name. His last name is Warner. You think that's random? That's Warner Brothers, a media giant with occult ties and ritual history all over its timeline. And he was the face of the Cosby Show, a series that ran during scripted Black excellence. Boom, under white studio control. Let's talk codes now. He died at the age 54. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Completion. He died 9 days after Cosby's birthday. Another 9, and we're in a 9 year. That's 3 layers of 9. He died 33 years after the Cosby Show ended. 33 equals ritual master number. Always shows up in Masonic sacrifices and celebrity exit coding. He died 337 days after his birthday. 337 equals the 68th prime. Malcolm-Jamal Warner equals 68 in gematria. This wasn't just a death. This was the energetic shutdown of an entire archetype. The lovable black genius, the sanitized rebel, the safe black man under white networks. He carried a frequency contract tied to a studio name. That contract just closed. Now let's get into Ozzy Osbourne. Now here's where they get bold, because Ozzy's death wasn't subtle. I have head to toe goosebumps right now. He was the Prince of Darkness, public shadow channeler, chaos sold through a label. He wasn't anti-system. He was the system's shadow mouthpiece. But let's run the code now. He died at the age 76. That's the 54th composite number. There's your second 9. 54. Again, 5 plus 4, 9. Completion. Same cycle, different archetype. He died with 163 days left in the year. Ozzy Osbourne equals 163 in gematria. Exact fucking match. He died 38 days after Trump's birthday. Death, murder, rest in peace, killing, all equal 38. And that collab with Youngblood, not just a feature, that was a soul transfer ritual. Dressed up in neon eyeliner, his archetype, rebellion, death, shadow, gone, sealed. The third death is required. This isn't just 2 deaths. This is ritual fucking structure. This is Trinity code. Birth, death, rebirth, collapse, transfer, seal. They took out 2 core archetypes. Programming, Malcolm, Cosby, Warner Brothers. Rebellion, Ozzy, Prince of Darkness. Now they need a third to lock it in, and it won't be random. It'll match the number cycles, 9, 33, 54, 68, 163. Tie into legacy media, music, or mind control. Serve as a ritual binder, the energetic glue that fuses the first 2 together. That death might be another celebrity. It might be a network executive. Might be a shocking loss no one sees fucking coming. You'll know when it hits because it'll feel hollow, too clean, too cinematic. You'll feel the ritual finish the second you see it. Why this matters? Because the system feeds on programmed grief. They want your emotions flooded, so your discernment shuts down. They want you to cry, not decode. They want you in your heart so they can hijack your field. But we don't cry here. We see through the fucking bullshit. We extract, we report. This was part 1. In part 2, I'm naming the possible archetypes and death candidates based on symbolic patterns, because this isn't prophecy. This is pattern recognition inside of a collapsing fucking matrix. Like this if this cracks something open. Share it if you know someone who's feeling this but can't fucking explain it. Comment if you've seen the signs of who the third might be. If you want to learn more about me, go to my website, cheftijen.com, Tijen. Go to TikTok, Baked LaLaLand for the previews, because I always talk about different stuff there. And then, of course, subscribe to this channel if you're done being hypnotized, because I'm here to wake up my collective. Where you at? Your soul and your spirit team will let you know. Come back for part 2.